السلام عليكم بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربي يسر ولا تعسر ربي وتمم بالخير اللهم اجعل القرآن ربيع قلوبنا ونور صدورنا اللهم آمين. So we are going to start our today's session. So as described by Dr. Abdul Khalik that today is our last session for this course. We chose this revision to just because we have done this long before. So this is a time to just to review this level 1, 2, and 3. Uh, that is basically very important, and that's those who just want to continue their this journey of Quran by taking some revision and just start Quran translation. They can have these their mind at these level. They are very important, so it will help us to translate easily and recognize the verb and their meaning. So this level 3, this is very important. Basically, there are level 1 and 2. Level 1 and level 2, there are 3 letters words. That's why this is called Fail Sulasi Mujarrad. 3 letters only. And the level 3, basically 3 is more than 3 letters. That's why this is called Fail Sulasi Mazid Fihi. So there are 3 letters. We already, that is level 1 and level 2. Then more than 3 letters, and that is level 3. And it is used a lot. And here one thing is very important, that the masdar is a standard. We can recognize masdar, the noun, the verbal noun, from where these are derived. Masdar means the central word, central noun, from where these verbs are derived. They are very simple and they have the simple standard, so we can easily guess them and we can remember them, that from where this chapter is. Like Bab Taf'il, it is Taf'al, Allama, Yu'allimu, Ta'lim, Bab Taf'il. So Ta'lim is basically Masdar. Mafa'ala, Jahada, Yujahidu, Mujahada, or Jihad. It has 2 Masdar, and mostly another Masdar form is also it is there, like Khalafa, Khilaf, Jadala, Jidal, Qatala, Qital. And similarly, we have the next one, Bab If'al, Anzala, Yunzilu, Inzal, Bab If'al, Tawakkala, Yatawakkalu, Tawakkul, and Tafa'ul, Tasa'ala, Yatasalu, Tasa'ul, Infi'al, Inqalaba, Yanqalibu, Inqilab, Ifti'al, Ikhtalafa, Yakhtalifu, Ikhtilaf. So here you can see that the pattern is 1, 2, 3. The third letter is ta. Iktasaba, iqtasada, istama'a, ihtada. If'ilal. This is easy, all colors. Ibiyadda, yabiyaddu, ibiyidat. Ikhdarra, isfarra, ihmarra, iswadda. So they are if'ala. And the last chapter is istif'al. A lot of time these words are used. And we have istaghfara, yastaghfiru, istighfar. And you can see the verb used in this chapter is istansara, istahza'a. Is the first 3 letters will be same: hamza, sin, and ta. Ista'ana, yasta'inu, and nasta'in. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Istif'al. And they have the special cases. So in level 3, almost every chapter except one, there are the special cases. And we should also know that the most special cases that they are used, that is in Bab Ifa'al. Almost 8 or 9 special cases are there. So if we just revise them, they will always be on our fingertip. So it is very easy. When we come into the level from level 1 and level 2, first thing is, if we just, this is just a summary. Mostly words from Bab Taf'il, Mufa'ala, and If'al. The fail al mudare here, it will be ya with dhamma. Level 1 and level 2, we did not see this. So if there is always mudare starts with dhamma, ya, the first letter, then we can see that it can be either taf'il, can be mufa'ala or if'al. And then it can be easily guessed that it is allama, yu'allimu ta'lim, or yujahada, yujahidu mujahada, or anzala, yunzilu inzal. And Bab mufa'ala has another masdar that is jihad as well. And tafa'ul tawakkala, yatawakkalu, tawakkul. Tasa'ala, this is start from ta and there is hamza as well. So tasala yatasalu tasaul. Infial inqalaba yanqalibu inqilab. Iftial ikhtalafa yakhtalifu ikhtilaf. So pattern is very important. For pattern for the letters that are very important. Just after doing some practice, because we have given a lot of time on each and every chapter, almost every class we spend on every letter. For example, in Babi Faal, if we look at that, there we have almost 4 week we have spent 4 to 5 week. Even we did the revision, and then we have arada, aujada, amana, auha, aghna, ata, atamma, arara. Yesterday there was a revision from chapter 1, Bab Taf'il, till Bab Iftial. So we'll see other thing, but before that, I would like that we should summarize it. I would ask the participant, and they should at least uh, I would start with the Tanjeen. Tanjeen, if I ask you to just tell me the chapter names only. Yeah, Tanjeen. Okay. So I would go to Saad.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Saad, chapter names.
Okay, first chapter of level 3 is Bab Taf'il, Allama yu'allimu ta'lim. Allama means he taught. Second chapter is Bab Mufala, Jahada yujahidu mujahada or jihad. Jahada means he strove hard. Level 3, chapter 3, Bab If'al, Anzala yunzilu inzal. Anzala means he sent down. Level 3, Chapter 4, Bab Tafa'ul, Tawakkala Yatawakkalu Tawakkul. Tawakkala means he trusted. Level 3, Chapter 5, Bab Tafa'ul, Tasa'ala Yatasa'alu Tasa'al. Tasa'ala means he questioned each other. Level 3, Chapter 6, Bab Infial, Inkalaba Yankalibu Inkilab. Inkalaba means he turned back or he turned over. Level 3, Chapter 7, Bab افتيال اختلف يختلف اختلاف. اختلف means he disagreed. Level 3, Chapter 8, Bab إفعلال إبيض يبيض إبيضاد. إبيض means he was white. And last chapter of level 3 is Bab استفعال استغفر يستغفر استغفار. استغفر means he asked for forgiveness.
Good job. Thank you, Saad. So at least the first try we should have that these chapters name they should be, and then it will be easy for us to, because it's not possible to just remember the meaning of each and every verb every time. But we have given a lot of verbs are there, and if we give some time, we have sometime we spare some 20-30 minutes daily or in a week, but there should be consistency. Then that we can start with level 1, then level 2 vocabulary, level 3 vocabulary, and then we always make it this course. If we are ending this course, and those who are not joining in the next session, they should just do at home. Even everybody is capable to start a class at least at home with siblings, with uh, children, whoever is there at home. We can just start with them, and just at least we start with Quran. And also we already did 10-15 surahs. We can do those, my prayers, and then we can just take 2 ayahs and then keep building it. This Quran is actually continuous journey. It is not something that we just, there is lot of level degrees. First we do the reading, and then we put some efforts. Even those who memorize this Quran, that does not fulfill the purpose of Quran, almost that they finish once finish and that's it. No, the actual thing of Quran is basically to understand the message. and ponder upon that. And that is that we have to make the habit something we are doing every day. And Quran should be part of our everyday's life. And this is one of the efforts. If, for example, the first thing you read it, memorize it, and then next step is that at least do this course every. This is, I should say that this should be the part of every Muslim syllabus, that they should know this basic knowledge. And this is not the end. This is just a start of that great journey of Quran understanding. And Quran has miracle that every time you open the Quran, uh, you will learn new things every time. It is not possible in any book. For example, if I am reading any other book, math or physics, if I complete it two, three, four times, after two, three, four times, I would start giving suggestion that this should be here, this should be here, this should. There was no need to mention this thing here. But in Quran, we cannot even think. We this should not be there. We are not capable, and every time you will open a Quran, new chapters, new learning will be there. And this is one of the miracle of Quran, that whenever we read in different way, every time you will learn some more things in that. So we should have to adopt this basically consistency, that we should do that. Just doing one course, second course, third course, that will not fulfill the purpose. So next, Nisar.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Awesome. I knew, Nisar, you did not do this, but at least you can, from here, chapter names are very important. These verbs are already recognized word and they belongs to level 3. Can you please just do it, Bab Tafa'il?
Yeah, first bab is taf'il. Allama yu'allimu ta'lim.
Okay.
Second bab is mufa'ala. Jahada yujahidu. Mujahada or jihad.
Jihad.
Third one is if'al. Anzala yunzilu inzal. Fourth one is tafa'ul. Tawakkala yatawakkalu tawakkul. Fifth one is tafa'ul. Tasa'ala yatasalu tasawul.
Tasa'ul.
Tasawul.
This is Hamza.
Yeah, tasawul. Next one is infial. Inqalaba yankalibu inkilab. Seventh one is iftial. Ikhtalafa yakhtalifu ikhtilaf. Eighth one is if'ilal. Ibyaza yabyazu yabyazu ibyazaz.
So this is Ibyadda. There is Shadda.
Yeah, ibyaza yabyazu ibyazaz.
Okay.
And the last one is istif'al. Istaghfara yastaghfiru istighfar.
Istighfar. Okay. So this Bab Fi'ilal is basically, it is about color. There are fixed number of words here. There is not. One is Ibiyadda, then Ihdarra, Isfarra, Ihmarra, Iswadda. They are colors basically, and they only falls on this pattern. That's why this is called Bab Fi'ilal. Ibiyidad, Isfirar, Ihmirar, Isvidad. So this is Bab If'al, and then we have Bab Istif'al. Thank you, Nisar.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's do some example on this. Temia.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. So can you please fit here Isfarra?
Okay. Isfara, he was yellow. Isfara, Isfaru, Isfarabta, Isfarabtum, Isfarabtu, Isfarabna. Yasfaru, Yasfaruna, Tasfaru, Tasfaruna, Asfaru, Nasfaru. Isfarir, La Tasfarar. Faru, La Tasfaru. Musfarun.
Musfarrun, there is Shadda.
Musfarun, Musfaruna, Musfarina, and Isfirarun.
Isfirarun. Okay, thank you. Iswadda means?
Iswadda means he was black.
Isfarra?
He was yellow.
Ihdarra?
He was green.
And Ihmarra?
He was red.
He was red. Can you please just tell me the chapter names in level 3?
Okay, first is Bab Tafail. Allama yu'allimu ta'lim. Allama means he taught. Then it's Bab Mufa'ala.
Jahada, yujahidu, mujahidun. Jahada means he strove hard. Then it's bab ifal. Um, Anzala yunzilu inzal. Anzala means he sent down. Then it's bab tafa'ul. Tawakkala yatawakkalu tawakkul. Tawakkala means he put in his trust. Then it's bab tafa'ul. تساءل يتساءل تساؤل تساءل means he
Question each other.
questioned each other. Then it's باب انفعال انقلب ينقلب انقلاب انقلب means he
put upside down.
upside down. And then it's باب إفعالات
Yes.
اختلف يختلف
افتعال.
باب استفعال
افتعال.
باب افتعال اختلف يختلف اختلاف اختلف means
He disagreed.
disagreed. باب إفعال إبيض يبيض إبيض إبيض means he was white. Then it's باب استفعال استغفر يستغفر استغفار استغفر means he asked for forgiveness.
He asked for forgiveness. Okay. Thank you. If he says it is istaghfara, he asked for forgiveness. Can you please tell me istansara, what would be the meaning? You know the nasara meaning, and there if you put istansara, then meaning will be?
It would be
Nasara means?
Nasara means he helped.
He helped. So istansara means?
He asked for help.
He asked for help. This is basically level 3. Istaghfara. He asked for forgiveness. Istansara. Istansara. He asked for help. Okay. Okay, the next chapter we have Bab Istifal. Istaghfara yastaghfiru istighfar. If you look at the word, all are Quranic word. Istakbara, he acted arrogantly. Istankafa, he refused. Istajala, he asked to hurry. Istamsaka, he held fast. Istansara, he asked for help. Istahza'a, he mocked. Brother Abdul Mujib.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, walaikum assalam. Can you please fit here the word istamsaka?
Istamsaka. Istamsaka, he held fast. Istamsaka, istamsaku, istamsakta, istamsaktum, istamsaktu, istamsakna. Yes, yastamsaku, yastamsakuna,
Yastamsiku.
yastamsiku, yastamsikuna, tastamsiku, tastamsikuna, astamsiku, nastamsiku. Istamsik, la tastamsik. Istamsiku, la tastamsiku. Mustamsikun, mustamsikuna, mustamsikina. Mustamsakun, mustamsakuna, mustamsakina. Istamsak. Istimsak.
Istimsak. Can you please take this ayah to just explain this one?
Fastamsiku billazi uhiya ilayka. So istamsik, hold fast.
Yeah, what is this istamsik? Madi
It's Fi'lul
mudari.
Amr.
It is Fi'lul Amr. Istamsik.
Yeah. So hold fast. Be with Allazi, the one who Uhiya was kind of revealed.
It is from Awha. Awha means he revealed. This is Uhiya is passive voice of Awha.
I revealed.
And what is
No.
revealed? This is basically
So,
same Awha.
Awha is he revealed. So he was revealed.
What was revealed?
What was revealed? Ilayka, towards you. So hold fast with the one who was revealed towards you.
What was revealed towards you. Okay. Thank you. So let's do one more example here. Nisar, Uncle Hamid.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम
Walaikum assalam. Can you please fit here this Istansara?
इस्तनसारा इस्तनसारू इस्तनसरता इस्तनसरतुम इस्तनसरतु इस्तनसरना यस्तनसेरू यस्तनसेरूना तस्तनसेरू तस्तनसेरूना अस्तनसेरू नस्तनसेरू इस्तनसिर ला तस्तनसिर इस्तनसिरू ला तस्तनसिरू मुस्तनसिरुन मुस्तनसिरूना मुस्तनसिरीना मुस्तनसरुन मुस्तनसरूना मुस्तनसरीना इस्तनसार
Istansar. Do you remember Mustansar Hussain Tarar?
जी
Yeah, that was his. It is Mustansar.
Yeah.
That
जी
was very famous. Yeah. Mustansir and Mustansar. Mustansar.
एक दफा पुलिस ने पकड़ लिया था उसको तो पुलिस वाला उसका नाम ही नहीं पढ़ रहा
Yeah,
था
it was one of the most difficult names.
Yeah, yes, I remember that.
Okay. Thank you. So this is first one. The special case of Bab Istif'al is the first special case is Istaghna, Yastaghni, Istighna. Second is Istahaqqa, Yastahiqqu, Istihqaq. So it has and another one case, I think, Istajaba, Yastajibu, Istijaba. So there are three special cases of this. One is Istajaba, Yastajibu, Istijaba. Istajaba means he responded or he accepted. And if we just look at the words, they are all Istaghasa, he asked for help. Istaqama, he stood fast. Ista'ana, he asked for help. They're the same. This is Ista'ana and Istaghasa. Ista'aza, he sought refuge. Istata'a, he was able. Istaraha, he rested, he relaxed. Brother Hamad.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Special cases of Bab Istif'al. The first one is
Istajaba.
complete. Istajaba, yes.
Istajaba, yastajibu, istajaba.
Okay, second one.
Istaghna, yastaghni, istighna. And istahaqqa, yastahiqqu, istihqaq.
Istihqaq. Can you please fit here Istaghatha?
Istaghatha, istaghathu.
Istaghasta.
Istaghasta, istaghastum, istaghastu, istaghathna. Yastaghisu, yastaghithuna, tastaghisu, tastaghithuna, astaghisu, nastaghisu. Istaghith, la tastaghith, istaghisu, la tastaghisu, mustaghithun, mustaghithuna, mustaghithina, mustaghathun, mustaghathuna, mustaghathina, istighana, istighana,
Istigha?
istighatha.
Istighasa. Istighasa is very common terminology in the law. Yeah. This is Astaghisu. Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum bi rahmatika astaghithu. أصلح لي شأنه كله ولا تكلني إلى نفسي طرفة عين. That is very important morning and evening azkar. We have to say it one time in the morning, one time أستعيذ يا حي يا قيوم برحمتك أستغيث. With your mercy, I ask for your help. Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum, oh ever living, ever sustaining. Birahmatika, with your mercy, astaghithu, I ask for your help. So that is very important dua which have the Ismaul Azam there. So astaghithu is from there. Istaghatha, yastaghithu, istighasa. Okay, second chapter, Ahmad bhai.
Second chapter
Yeah, second special case.
or special case. Istaghna, istaghnau,
No,
istaghnayta,
first istaghna, yastaghni.
istaghna, yastaghni, istighna,
Okay, can you please fit here? Istasqa.
istasqa. Istasqa mean he asked for drink. Istasqa. Istasqau. Istasqaita. Istasqaitum. Istasqaitu. Istasqaina. Yastasqi. Yastasquna. Tastasqi. Tastasquna. Astasqi. Nastasqi. Istasqi. La tastasqi. Istasqu, la tastasqu. Mustasqin, mustasquna, mustasqina, mustasqan, mustasqauna, mustasqaina. Istisqaun.
Istisqa.
Yeah.
Istisqa, yeah. Okay, so we have here the words like istaghfa, he sought, he tried hide. Istasqa, istahya, he felt shy, he let somebody live. Istahya. Istasna, he made an exception. Istasna. And then istafta, he asked for legal opinion. Istafta, he asked for opinion. Istafta, istasna, istahya, istasqa, istahfa. So these are very important words. Just we have to revise them sometime. Just we don't have to do anything. Just open the slides. Slides are available. Link is always available and open. And we should at least, whenever we just have this open the chapter, we see 4, 5, 7 verbs fit in this chapter, and then we can do all the ayah verses, and it will be very easy for us to remember, and it will make easy to translate it. Next, Hamad, yeah. Istahaqqa.
Istahaqqa, yastahiqqu, istihqaq, istahaqqa mean he deserved.
He deserved. Can you please fit here? Istaqarra.
Istaqarra mean he settled or remained. Istaqarra, istaqarru, istaqarrarta, istaqarrartum, istaqarrartu, istaqarrarna.
No, Ahmad bhai, it is istaqrarta.
Start again, please.
Okay. Istaqarra, istaqarru, istaqarra.
Yes, istaq, because they're the first one. See here, istahqaqta. So
Yeah.
the first here, it is
Yeah.
ha. So here we have
Istaqrarta.
yes.
Yeah, istaqrarta, istaqrartum, istaqrartu, istaqrarna, yastaqirru, yastaqirruna, tastaqirru, tastaqirruna, astaqirru, nastaqirru. Istaqrir, la tastaqrir. Istaqirru, la tastaqirru.
La tastaqirru. Shad is back there.
Yeah, la tastaqirru. Mustaqirrun, mustaqirruna, mustaqirrina, mustaqarrun, mustaqarruna, mustaqarrina, istiqrar.
Istiqrar. It is good for speech therapy.
Mhm.
Yeah. So these are very important words. So there are again bab istifal, istaghfara, yastaghfiru, istighfar. Then the first special case is istajaba, yastajibu, istijaba. You can see here istaghatha, istaqama, ista'ana, ista'adha, istata'a, istaraha. Then we have istaghna. You can look at that, the shape. Istaghna, and look at the similar word istahfa, istasqa, istahya, istasna, istafta. Then we have istahaqqa, yastahiqqu, istihqaq. And we have istahabba, yastahibbu, istihbab. They are good for tajweed and practice, and they are used in Quran, so it will make our practice, it will make better, and also we can recognize that they fall in bab istif'al. So just we have the summary here. If you look at bab tafa'il, bab mufa'ala, if'ilal, tafa'ul, tafa'ul, infi'al, ifti'al, if'ilal, istif'al. If you just look at once, it is, of course, it seems very difficult. But see here that how we have started. Even with bab tafa'il, we spent 1 week. And then we went to the special cases of bab tafa'il, and then bab mufa'ala, bab if'al. Bab if'al special case, there are 8 or 9 special cases. And we spend almost 1 class on each and every special case there. So it just whenever we have to do, we just practice it. And at least the summary of level 1, summary of level 2, summary of level 3, we should get a print of those and in front of our study table or wherever we do Quranic study, and it will always remind us, and they will be, we can revise them anytime, but at least the chapter name, pattern, they should be on our fingertips. Then we have done the level 4, that is not used much, but there are some important words they are there. They're these words which cannot fit in level 1, level 2, and level 3. We say it as ruba'i mujarrad, 4 letters only. And they are most commonly used are waswasa, yuwaswisu, viswas. In Suratun Nas it is used, and zalzala, yuzalzilu, and zalzal. And if we see here this one, and then there is another word, are tazabzaba, yatazabzabu, tazabzabun. And there is itma'inna, yatma'innu, itmi'nan. But the important they are, which is used, that is waswasa. Waswasa, yuwaswisu, waswasatun. Similarly, zalzala, yuzalzilu, zalzalatun. And there is one word we use, waswas, and that is mubalagha, basically. Whisperer, the one who whispers again and again, or the one who whispers a lot. That is used here. So waswasa, yuwaswisu, waswasa. I would ask Brother Abdul Majid, can you please just do this, waswasa?
Yeah. Waswasa, waswasu, waswasta, waswastum, waswastu, waswasna, yuwaswisu, yuwaswisuna, tuwaswisu, tuwaswisuna, uwaswisu, nuwaswisu, waswis, la tawaswis,
La tuwaswis, patient.
la tuwaswis, waswisu, la tuwaswisu, muwaswisun, muwaswisuna, muwaswisina, muwaswasun, muwaswasuna, muwaswasina, waswasatun, waswasa.
Yeah, waswasa. Yeah. So these are just used there. I normally just consult it when you waswisu Suratul Nas and Zalzala. They are used, and we can just know that they are 4 letters. The remaining pattern, we make it same like that. Whatever we know that there's Mudare, Amar, Nahi, Fa'il, Maf'ul, and Masdar. If it just if we feel that it is difficult and there are level 4, just there are 2 words we can just remember, waswasa and zalzala, damdama, yudamdimu, and damdama, and like that. So this is waswasa, yuwaswisu, waswasa. And there are like salsala, yusalsilu, and salsala, zabzaba, yuzabzibu, zabzaba. This one word is used, even if we don't do that. There is a further addition in this, tazabzaba, yatazabzabu, tazabzab. That's, I think, once in a while, if in whole Quran, this one word is used there, tazabzaba. Otherwise, there is no need of that if you don't do, but at least the first one. And similarly, here we have, in 4 letters, there are some words used, that is itma'anna, yatma'innu, itmi'nan. This itminan is very common word even in our the Urdu language, and it is used in one of the ayah, itma'anna, Yatma'innu. Itmanna, he was satisfied, he was content, so it is there. And similarly, we have ishma'azza, yashma'izzu, ishmi'zaz. They are used. And then we have the feminine. Feminine, we don't do normally the masculine and feminine all together. We start with the masculine and we just go to the feminine. So when we are expert in one in masculine, then we touch the feminine, because most of the time masculine, mostly masculine is used there. So when we are expert in that, then we have to touch it so that we should not confuse and mix it up. And we should keep putting the efforts to making, for example, if we are teaching the people, so make it easy. So we should not burden all together everything. So we went through step by step. We build by just bricks by bricks, practice it, just give them a lecture and then practice them. Practice is very important. Revision is very important. So here I will just review it. Huwa is here, hum, hunna, anta, anti, antum, antunna, ana is remains ana, and nahnu is remain na. And in case of attach, that is who will change into ha, hum is hunna, ka will ki, kum, kunna. And for first person and first person singular, first person plural, ya, and na, that will be same. And similarly, for we have done this on that, how we can do, for example, here, hunna muslimun, and the feminine, mostly we have to put ta marbuta at the end, that will be feminine. Muslimun, it will become muslimatun, and the plural is muslimatun. Nasiratun, nasiratun. We look at nasirun is masculine, feminine is nasiratun, and then we have nasiratun. Salihun, salihatun, salihatun. Mukhlisun, mukhlisatun. Ta marbuta it can come at the end. And for the plural, instead of ta marbuta, there will be alif added and ta, flat ta will come there. Mukhlis, open ta. Mukhlisatun, mukhlisatun. Muslimatun, muslimatun. And we know that how we can join these. And then similarly for this attached pronoun, alayhi will change into alayha, alayhim will change into alayhinna, alayka, instead of alayka it will be alayki, and plural of alayki will be alaykunna, and alayya will be alayna. So this is just ja'alaha, ja'alahunna. Ja'alaki, ja'alakunna, ja'alani, ja'alana. Like if you say Rabbuha, Rabbuhunna, Rabbuki, Rabbukunna, Rabbi, Rabbuna. So they both will be same, but here ha and hunna, ki and kunna. That is the difference in feminine. And similarly, when we do the verb like fa'ala, so in case of feminine, that will be instead of fa'ala, it will be fa'alat, and fa'alu will be fa'alna. So we should remember here fa'alat, and the plural will be fa'alna. Fa'alti, fa'altunna, fa'altu, fa'alna. When we go to mudare, so it will be tafa'alu, taf'alu, yaf'alna, taf'alina, taf'alna, af'alu, naf'alu, if'ali, la taf'ali, if'alna, la taf'alna, fa'ilatun, fa'ilatun, fa'ilatin, maf'ulatun, maf'ulatun, maf'ulatin, fi'lun. I would ask brother Bal Shahid, can you please fit here fataha for feminine?
Uncle, he's right now using.
Okay, Saad, you can do that.
Okay. So the feminine one?
Yes, for fataha.
Okay. Fatahna.
Your voice is cutting, Ya Saad.
Okay. One sec. So it's better?
Yeah.
Okay. Fatahat. Fatahna. Fatahti. Fatahtunna. فتحت فتحنا تفتح يفعلنا
No, تفتح.
يفتحنا تفتحين تفتحنا أفتح نفتح افتحي
نفتح. أفتح نفتح. There is no change.
أفتح نفتح yes افتحي لا تفتحي افتحوا
No, that begins here. فعلت فعلت فعلنا. So افتحي افتحنا.
افتحنا لا تفتحنا فاتحات فاتحاتون فاتحون فاتحين مفتوح
مسلمة. What is the plural?
مسلمات
Muslimatin. So fatihatun plural will be
فاتحات
yes. Fatihatun fatihatin. Okay.
فاتحات مفتوحة مفتوحات مفتوحات فتح
Fathun masdar. So here one thing that is fa'alat fa'alna. Fa'alti fa'altunna. Ti tunna. Mudari is taf'alu. And then in plural case that is not ta, that is yaf'alna. And then in singular in second case, this is very important to just focus here, just in top 4. Taftahu yaftahna. Taftahina taftahna. So taftahina, singular is ina, and the plural is again taftahna. And mostly plural, there is noon is coming. Fa'alat, fa'alna. If'ali, if'alna. Similarly here, taftahu, but this is the second case will be start with ya, not with a. That only ta is in the singular, third person singular. And we know that this also has many meaning. It is also for masculine case. It is also used for the second person singular. But in feminine, it is for third person, it is used tafa'alu. Plural is yafa'alna. Tafa'alina, tafa'alna. This is af'alu, naf'alu is same. Then Amr will be Ali. Iftahi, la taftahi. What will be the plural? Iftahna. Similarly, la taftahi, la taftahna. Noon is coming in the plural. So similarly here, fa'ilun, it will be fa'ilatun. And plural will be fa'ilatun, fa'ilatin. Just tun and tin. Mansub. There is no fatah. Fa'ilatun, fa'ila. Maf'ulatun, maf'ulatun, maf'ulatin, and fi'lun. Let's do one more example and we will finish it here. I would finish it with there is Umar Ahmad. Umar there?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Umar, can you please fit here? Darabat.
Zarabat, zarabna, zarabti, zarabtunna, zarabtu, zarabna. Tabzaru, tazrabu, tazrabuna,
That is
yazrabuna.
Daraba yadribu. So it will be tadribu.
Tazribu, yazribuna.
Yazribna.
Oh, yazriban. Tazribina, tazribna. Azribu, nazribu. Izrib.
No,
La
that
taz
is idrib is for idrib. Idrib is for masculine. Feminine will be
izribi.
idrobi. Idribi. Idrib. Idribi.
Izrib. La tazrib.
No, for we are doing for feminine, ya Umar.
Oh.
Idribi.
Izribi. La tazribi.
La tadribi.
Tazribi.
Idribna.
Izribna. La tazribna. Zaribatun. Zare, zarebatun, zarebatin. Mazrubun, mazrub,
Madrubatun.
mazrubatun, mazrubatun, mazrubatin. Zirbun,
Darbun.
zarbun.
Darbun. There is no change in the masdar. Okay.
Okay.
And then there was a dual concept, that is, instead of huwa, anta, ana, hum, antum, nahnu, huma, antuma, nahnu. Huma, they both, antuma, you both, nahnu, we both or we. Similarly, for attached pronoun, instead of who, it will be huma, ka, kuma, ya, na. Like rabbuhuma, rabbukuma, rabbuna. Rasuluhuma, Rasulukuma, Rasuluna. In dual case, only 3 cases. So in similarly for dual, there are 3 cases for detached pronoun. Huma Muslimani, Antuma Muslimani, Nahnu Muslimani. Rabbuhu Rasuluhuma, Rasulukuma, Rasuluna. And here when we go for sometime it is used for the table for dual. So it will be just 3 cases in Madi, 3 Mudare, because the remaining are same. So 3 cases. So instead of Fa'ala, feminine is Fa'alat, but dual will be Fa'ala, Fa'altuma, Fa'alna, Yaf'alani, Taf'alani, Naf'alu. Very simple. So like Ja'ala, Ja'altuma, Ja'alna, Yaj'alani, Taj'alani, Naj'alu. Ij'ala, la taj'ala. Ja'ilani, ja'ilaini. Maj'ulani, maj'ulaini, ja'lun. So I think this is just there was a review. We just spent 3 classes, I think, in level 1, level 2, level 3, and this was the 4th class. So just for revision, because we have done this long before in the initial phases of course, and that is just important thing, that we spend a lot of time on this level. So we should know the chapter names and we should recognize them. I would finish it here, and then over to you, Dr. Sab.
Thank you. Jazakallah khairan, Brother Akhtar. Okay, just maybe one more thing I want to tell you about our the slides. So this is the slide where we have everything actually on one page. So I just want to know that you should know how you read this slide. No? For example, this types are actually the international numbers, types of the words. This type 1, actually our level 1 and level 2 comes under type 1 of international standards. So level 1, level 2 is under type 1. So here, if you go to the left, it's the reds are the chapter names. The reds are the chapter names like Fataha, and it's some variations like Kara'a, Sa'ara. So these are also covered in it. Daraba, 2nd chapter, its variation Afaka is also there. And then Nasara, Amara is its variation. Samia, Amina, and Hasiba chapter, and then Karuma and its variation Amuna. So this row actually covers the level 1. This is level 1. And then the bottom is level 2. So level 1, level 2 is Bab Ajwaf, red. So it's chapters like there are 3 variations of this chapter: Qala, Yakulu, Khafa, Yakhafu, Sara, Yasiru. Similarly, next chapter is Ba Mudaf, and its variations are there: Massa, Dalla, Zonna. And then next chapter was Ba Misal, and its different variations are mentioned there. Then Bab Naqis, so and its variations Da'a, Hada, Sa'a, Khashiya, these are mentioned there. So this level 1, level 2 actually is type 1 according to international standards. So, for example, if you want to search one word, and if it is written there just one, like Roman 1, so it means it is covered under our level 1 or level 2. Then in level 3, Sulasi Mazid Fi, see, the chapter names are actually derived from the masdar. So that's why these are read here. The first chapter is Bab Taf'il. So Bab Taf'il would be written as type 2 in international dictionaries. So on the left side, it's different words that are you can fit in this chapter. These are in blue. And this dark brown is the special case, Walla. So all the dark browns are special cases. Like in this chapter, Bab Tafil, Walla is the special case. Similarly, Bab Mufa'ala, these are the examples of words. Nada and Shaka is the special case. Bab If'al and Anzala is the main pattern, and the remaining are the special cases. Similarly, you can see all those chapters are in red. The names are in red. And the special cases are in dark brown color. So Bab Istif'al, this is chapter 10 according to the dictionaries. So in level 4, only 2 are used in Quran. So we have mentioned it here. Fa'alala chapter, like waswasa, damdama, ba'asara, asasa. So this is Bab Fa'alala. And this is number 12. And then number 11 is not used in Quran, so we haven't mentioned it. Then 13 is also not 12. Then this is 14, 13 is also not used, so we have not mentioned it. So this 14 is if'alalla. Yaf'alillu, muf'alillun, if'illalun, like itma'anna. So this is just the summary of all the chapters that we have covered in level 1, level 2, and level 3. If you have just this one slide with you, and if you want to find something, you should be easily able to find it, especially the senior students. It should be much helpful, I think, for you all. Inshallah. So Alhamdulillah, we have completed our course. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. We have tried to cover most of the topics that are required to understand Quran. But the completion of this course doesn't mean that we have learned everything. It is just, you can say it is the start. It is the start to learn Quran, to learn the words of Quran, so that we can, when we read Quran, we understand it. But the study of Quran is actually a continuous journey. We need to connect with Quran on a daily basis. So, for example, when we read Quran, when we read an ayah, we should stop and ask question. What question? Do I know every word of this ayah? Do I know the meaning of every word in this ayah? If, for example, you find a word that you don't know, then try to figure it out. Try to find the meaning and try to fit it where it belongs to. What is its origin? Where it belongs to, especially in these chapters. Okay, so there are also many sources available. One of the sources that we have these slides. You can use them. These slides are also available on our those application. So you can install that application on your devices. It can be installed on computer, on laptop, on iPhones, iPads, and other phones. It can be installed, and you just click it and find whatever you want. And the video recordings are also available, so you can listen to them again and again. So yeah, actually, if you connect more with Quran, it will come more. Okay, so the main purpose of our study should be to connect with Quran in a meaningful way. We study Quran, we do not know what we are studying. The purpose of this course was so that you know what we are studying, when we are reading, what we are reading. That was the main purpose, so that we can understand Quran from its Arabic text. I hope this course would help a little bit to improve our understanding of Quran. So, but we should not stop our journey, because the Quran is something, as Brother Akhtar was mentioned, that nobody has been able to comprehend. People have spent their lives, but still they are just like they are just starting their journey. In the end, we should pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He keeps us connected with this book. He accept our effort of all of us, those who participated in the class as a student, as well as those who taught us. And He forgive us, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive our mistakes, and He gave us opportunity to improve our understanding of Quran and make us able to implement in our lives. So that is, I think, that's it. We praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He accept our du'as. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen. So I will, inshallah, stop here, and after we go to the break, we can stop it. Then if we have any questions, we can take.